Welcome to Gears Canada, where your adventure is our mission. Our customer happiness team is eager to assist with product-related questions and can even help guide you to the perfect gear for your activity and budget. You can call or text us at 647-400-3081.
Step out in any weather with confidence using the Gears reusable waterproof boot covers, designed to keep your boots or shoes protected from rain, water, mud, and slush. Slip-resistant traction is provided by the durable ripple rubber sole, offering superior anti-slip properties. You will never fear a wet or icy surface. A long zippered track runs along the side from the sole to the mouth, allowing for effortless side entry of your foot and shin. The inside seams are heat taped, which is what makes these boot covers 100% waterproof. Once you're in, zip it up and pat down the hook and loop storm flap over the zipper for enhanced protection against rain. The integrated underfoot strap ensures the boot cover fits snugly against your footwear, preventing any excess material near the ankle from flapping around. Grab the hook and strap near the mouth of the boot cover and wrap it around to keep it nice and tight around your shins. A reflective strip on the back of the heel enhances your safety in low-light conditions. The unisex design appeal makes these boot covers a versatile choice for both men and women. Their sleek black color and minimalistic styling complement any outfit or style. Ideal for a wide range of activities, these boot covers are great for motorcycling, hiking, construction, farming, gardening, and more, making them a versatile addition to your outdoor gear. These boot covers are an essential accessory for anyone looking to safeguard their footwear and keep their feet dry. Reference the sizing chart here to find your perfect fit and note that it's given as per your running shoe size. You must go up a size if you wish to wear the boot covers over top of work boots or motorcycle boots. By choosing these reusable shoe protectors, you're making an eco-friendly and cost-effective choice. Compared to disposable options, these covers are a sustainable and long-term solution for protecting your footwear.
Remember, all Gears products come with an ironclad 1-year warranty, ensuring your peace of mind. So what are you waiting for? Add to cart and go seize your adventure.